Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Ecofunomics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, and this is lecture 8 of Data Analytics 101, the basics course. We are using STATA or STATA IC to cover the course syllabus in these 10 lectures. Ecofunomics LLP is an international organization registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Skill India, Startup India. We are recognized and cherished across 158 countries. And in today's topic, we are going to be covering three very important commands which you need to know, but probably it is not spoken about widely. Firstly is egen, second is gen, and third is sort. Well, this might seem like a very simple command and everybody, has the knowledge about it, but not really so. I am going to be using the example datasets installed with STATA. So let's go to File, Example datasets installed with STATA, auto.dta, use, and close. And we have the data over here. Let's quickly take a look. This is the data sheet where make is a text variable or a string variable. These in black are our numeric variables. So foreign is a categorical variable. Basically, what it means that it can be converted into binary digits too. For example, domestic is 0 and the foreign at the end is 1. So categorical variables can also be represented numerically, but we always have to remember to convert them back to the categories. Now, let's begin with the topic of the day, that is, first we will learn to egen. Now, what is egen? Egen is basically a command which you do to mostly generate statistical functions. Let us say the command goes egen, give a name of your choice. It can be anything. For example, let us just say I am saying variable 1 is equal to standardize std, open bracket, select, let's say, weight, close bracket, enter. Now, if you know what std is, it is a statistical function for standardizing a variable in which every variable is first subtracted by its mean and then it is divided by the standard deviation. Okay, so observation 1 minus mean, and then the whole is divided by the standard deviation of the observation. Okay, however, in STATA, you can do it with one single command, easy command. So remember, if you're doing mostly statistical functions, you should use egen, give a variable name, give the command, whatever you want to convert it into, and select your variable. Now, the second command for the day is generate. Gen. Now, this is mostly used for mathematical functions. Let us say that I want the log ratio, log value for weight. What will I write? Give any name you want. I am writing LGWT, that is log weight, is equal to write log, open bracket, select the variable, close bracket, and enter. Let's take a look firstly at our data sheet. Now, what do we see? The standardized version is over here and the log version of the weight is over here. The last command which we are going to learn today is sort. So, let us begin with the same data set and understand. So, let's take a look at Rep 78, which has 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, and missing values. So if we go to Excel and sort this smallest to largest, then this is how it is done. Similarly, in STATA, what do? We write sort, select Rep 78 and enter. What do we see? that the variable has been arranged according to smallest to largest or ascending order. Okay. Now, similarly, we can do one more thing. Take a look over here. This is 1, 1, 0, 1, where 0 is equal to female and 1 is equal to male. So you might ask, how do I know it? Because the data was collected by me, so it was written by me. So what do? I'll go and I'll do smallest to largest and 0 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Now, if I replace it, let's say, replace all and so if you do not know these, then you need to go through the Excel lectures and you will very well understand and be able to solve these as well. Okay, so what do I see? Female at the top and male at the bottom. Similarly, for categorical variable, if I take a look over here, we see domestic, foreign, which means that the car were domestically produced and foreign means it was manufactured abroad. Similarly, if I write sort foreign, then what do I see? I see domestic cars are listed at the top and foreign manufactured cars are listed at the bottom. So sort is a very, very important command. You know, it is the friend of any researcher. Why? Let's say I want to summarize the MPG only for the domestic cars. Okay, only for the domestic cars. So what will I do? I'll write summarize MPG if foreign is equal to 0. When I said it is a categorical variable, it means it has to be, 0 and 1, binary in sense. Obviously, if you have more than 2, it has to be 0, 1, 2. But if it is only 2 categories, then 0 and 1. And enter. Okay. So what do I have? I have foreign is equal to 0, which means domestic, MPG, 52 observations, mean is this, standard deviation is this, minimum value is this, and maximum value is this. What if I want to summarize only for the foreign manufactured cars? What will I write? Sum mileage if foreign is equal to 1, enter. What do we see? We see mileage, we have observation for 22 cars which are foreign manufactured, the mean value, standard deviation value, minimum value, and the maximum value. So that's about it for today's lecture. We have learned how to do eGen, how to gen, how to sort, and how to summarize if. One important additional tip here I would like to say, you can use generate even for solving equation. Let us say we have an equation saying, just hypothetically, I'm just giving, okay, that solve for mileage into rep 78 minus headroom. Okay, this is your equation. Let's say what we will do, we'll write gen, give it a name, ch is equal to mileage into rep 78 minus I think I said, I don't remember what I said. I think I said headroom. I think so. Okay. So 5 missing variables has been generated, values has been generated, and this is your answer. So this is how you solve an equation 2. So as mentioned earlier during the first lecture that I will teach you 5 commands every day. This there it goes. I hope you learned something new. If you did, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment if you have a doubt, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.